y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I am installing a wig that I have from Unice. All the information of course will be in the description box below. So per usual, this is one of my favorite glueless type installs because, you know, I don't like doing the most or doing too much. Okay, I like to keep it very demure, very cutesy, very demure. So with this wig, I don't know, is this demure? It got a lot of color to it, I don't know. But this is a I believe it's 24 inches. If I'm lying, it will be scrolling on the screen. But this is a 22 inch, probably 24 inch 7x5 glueless bye-bye knots wig, because you know I like the bye-bye knots wigs. I'm like addicted to those because they're so simple and easy to install. So this is what the lace looks like. It comes pre-cut for you. The knots are pre-bleached. And the front is pre-plucked, and this one also comes pre-styled and curled. This is one of the better pre-curled wigs that I've seen. Like, I've had pre-curled before, but usually like when they're in the box and stuff, the curls get like all smashed. But this one actually maintained its curls pretty well, so I'm happy about that. It's on a dome cap that looks like this. It has a comb at the bottom and then your two adjustable straps to the side, and then I also have a place for a wig band, which they give you separately. It's in the box. I'll show you that later. But this is their Balayage highlight wig. So it has like the highlight pieces in the front on the sides here, and then it has highlights all throughout the wig. So I think this is going to look really, really cute when I install it. So I'm excited about that. But before I get into installing the wig, I just want to show you what comes in the box. Like I said, they give you the wig band here. You get some wig tape here. This is a 7x5 closure, so I don't know if I'm going to use the wig tape with this in particular, but maybe. But they give you this. It says like bye-bye knots right here. And then you also get this little care kit here that comes with like your edge band right here, a wig cap, and some nails that look like this. But yeah, so that is just a cute little introduction to the wig, but you want to see what it looks like on my head and watch me install it, then you got to keep on watching. I will say is if you don't have a wig cap that's like the color of your complexion or whatever, just take some cream makeup to color it. So I'm using this cream makeup from Ruby Kisses. It's in the color 15. I got it from Amazon, and I'm just gonna press it with this little flat top brush, press the color into the wig cap per usual. And you don't gotta do too much because it's only a 7x5, so it's not even gonna go all the way from like ear to ear. It's just really gonna be in the front like that. Okay, so now the last thing you gotta do, I wanna actually put on the wig band. It does have a comb in the back, so you technically may not need the wig band, but I just love the wig bands now. I feel like it just gives me some extra security more than these things right here. Like, these are cute, but I like these a lot better. So I'm just gonna slide this on. They have little like hooks right here on the wig that it goes into. It looks like that. If you want to use the little non-slip grip part, then you want to slide the hooks going upwards like this. You see, like, the closure is facing me and the hook is going upwards. That will make sure that when you put on the wig band like this, that the non-slip grip is on your head down here at the bottom. And then I'm just gonna flip this over, push in the comb, and flip this back. Ooh, I love this color. Oh my gosh, immediately love this color. Like, the color is giving. The color is everything. But yeah, let me just make sure my wig not crooked, since people like to call that out. Like, girl, we do not care. I am going to do baby hairs, I believe, just like a little bit on the sides. Well, let me see. Yeah, I am. Should I not? Should I? I know y'all probably like, no, I should switch this part to the side is what I should do, but I kind of want y'all to get the idea of what it looks like with this. I don't know, I'm gonna pray about it. I'll be right. All right, so I'm back and I prayed about it, and I decided that I'm not gonna do the baby hairs initially. I'm gonna try it without it first. to see what it looks like. You know, the way my hairline's set up and the way these wigs be cut sometimes, I be needing baby hairs on the side. But I'm trying to grow up a little bit and not do them. So I'm just gonna take some spray and put it like here and on the front just to help the wig because of the type of hairline that I have. Now, if you wear this wig and the wig and the lace comes in contact with your skin, you should be fine. But for me, it comes in contact with my hair, which is a big old mess. So I gotta do what I can to get it to stay down. So this is gonna help, one, blend the lace a little bit better, and then also get this to stay on my forehead. All right, so now I'm taking my Gotta Be Free spray. I'm putting this up some like this. I'm just gonna put it on the parting of the wig like this, like so, like that. And then I'm taking my hot comb. But now I'm just gonna take this wide tooth comb right here and just comb through the curls, because I really want more of the body wave look. I don't want that like tight curl look, you know what I'm saying? So also just comb through it. And I'm probably gonna have to cut some layers in this just so it can fall in my face how I like, but I don't want to cut too much, just a little bit. So now I'm just gonna take some more of my cream makeup and just run it along my hairline. Y'all, I am trying so hard, right, to like this without baby hairs. But just look at my hairline. Like, I know some of y'all are like, oh, you don't need the baby hairs. You don't need the baby hairs. I'm trying to tell myself I don't need the baby hairs. Like, I just feel like my forehead is too open. Maybe if I do like a side part with no baby hairs, what if we flip it to the side or something like that? Y'all, I feel better already. Let me tell you, I feel better already. I can't just have my forehead all open like that with no baby. If I'm not gonna have no baby hairs, I gotta have some, child. I gotta have something. I have not reached that point of maturity where I could just have my forehead all open like that. I'm just not gonna do it. No. Now I do have the urge to create like a little swoop, right? Just a little swoop. Don't it need a little swoop? I think it need a swoop. I just want like one little swoop. Let me just do one swoop. It's not a lot, right? It's just one. I feel better. Thank you. Don't this look better? Be for real, because I know it does. Be for real. It looked better than when I had it with just a little flat forehead. I need to cover my forehead a little bit. Y'all know it, I know it, we know it, she know it. Thank you. Look at this. Okay. The side part and the swoop. Giving everything that it needs to give in 2024. Thank you very much. The curls is popping. The color is popping. The swoop, both of them, popping. Thank you. And thank you. Anyways, it's cute. I don't have no issues with tangling or shedding or anything like that. If you want a nice little swoop side part, or if you want to do the middle part like what I did earlier, definitely get you one of these. You can do whatever you want to it. You can have whatever you like, okay? And what I like is this, and this works for me, and I'm happy. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. And thanks for watching this video and putting up with my antics. Adios. Till next time.